As an ex-IELTS examiner, I can vouch for this. 99% of the students that I marked were failing to answer their part 3 correctly. They would freeze or not able to expand, and therefore they are given a 6 band. You are moving in circles because of this part 3. If you want to break that circle, you have to get a band 7 if you are able to answer the part 3 properly. So what I can tell you in this video, you can know the structure of any part 3 question. You can memorize the template, and yes, you will not appear memorized. Any type of question you can answer, because in this video you get, I have analyzed in my 39 years experience the type of questions that you get in part 3. I have designed the templates for that and also the vocabulary. So you can memorize them and achieve your 7 plus in your IELTS speaking, which is the most difficult part. So without much ado, let's dive now the part 3, which is very important. I'm going to give you advanced templates for that and the framework for 8 to 9 bands. So let's see how we will do this. Now, what is the strategy for this? Structure plus the sophistication is necessary. For high scores in part 3, you require not just fluency, you have to organize. And by using flexible templates, you reduce the exam stress and create natural opportunities to use advanced grammar like inversion and clef. These are very important. These are 9 band structures. Please don't memorize the answers, but do memorize the architecture or the structure for a great answer. Now, always there would be a cause and then you have to give a solution. 100% you will get this in part 3, any topic. Why do people become toxic online and how can we reduce this? Now, this is the problem and how we have to reduce the solution. One major reason is anonymity, as people feel hidden and face fewer consequences online. Another reason is misunderstanding, because written messages lack tone and emotions. What makes, now this is clef here, this verse, this is a clef structure, is how quickly people react without thinking. To reduce this, now the solution. Platforms should improve moderation and individuals need to cut down on impulsive responses. That means to respond without thinking. Moderation means some editing. Now restructuring the argument, how I have answered this. The problems. One major reason is anonymity, as people feel hidden and face fewer consequences. Now, this is the problem. First problem. Second is the misunderstanding and the written messages lacking the tone and the emotion. Now, what makes this? This is an explanation. This verse is how quickly people react without thinking. That is the consequence. Or you can even add the explanation. Then the solution. To reduce this, the platform should improve moderation, cut down on impulsive responses. Right? So this is the structure. See, please subscribe and comment and share. And like is just one button and it will motivate me. You won't get this anywhere. Promise me, you won't get. And of course, for personal coaching, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. Now, cause and the solution. See, grammar highlight is the clef sentence, which I've already told you what makes this worse or what makes this as a best choice is, both you can use like this, worse or best. So it is used to add emphasis and sophistication on the second point, of course. You don't forget to use this structure. And then cut down on means to reduce. Now, these are phrasal verbs which are there in my PDF, and even the collocations, even the clef sentences you will find for each cue card. Don't worry. And the part 1 also, you'll find all 9 band answers. So you can buy that. Now, the template for the type 8, that is for the part 3. Now you can fill in the blanks. One major reason is when you're giving reason, because you give any reason for any question. Another reason, you will give a reason what makes this best or what makes this worse is, even you can say what makes this as the best choice is. So both options are there. Please like. And to reduce this, da da da. See, this is the structure. If you know the structure, you can easily get your grammar at a 7 plus. Yeah, and these cleft sentences is 9 band for sure, guaranteed. Now, this ninth is the evaluation, and when you give a balanced view. Now, if you want a 7 plus, you have to use this structure. This is what people say online usually accurate, or is it often dishonest? So are they dishonest or are they honest? They're asking this. So this is, you have to evaluate between this and this. You have to, weigh the pros and the cons. I'll say it is a mix because you're giving a balanced answer. Some people share accurate information, especially when they provide evidence. However, there is also exaggeration, and the facts are sometimes twisted to attract attention. So I wouldn't automatically trust information without checking its source. See the intonation. Don't go monotone. Now, let's analyze this. The accurate information, I said it was a mix. And then dishonest and twisted. That was the phrasal verb. You'll get it in my PDFs, lot of them. Now, checking the source. Avoid simple yes or no. Discuss both sides first. Okay. So, what is the language focus here? Twisted, presented in a misleading way. It's a mix. So, it's are giving a balanced answer, and it's a perfect opener for the 9 questions or the 9 band. Using these words shows the examiner you can handle nuance and ambiguity. That means something that is unknown, means at a small level, at a minute level. Now, the template 9 is now here. See, accuracy, truth, or binary means 2 choices. I'll say it's a mix. On one hand, da da da. However, so I tend to dash. Okay. Now, sometimes you're asked to give your suggestions or advice. Now, this is a suggestion or advice. What can people do to avoid being misled by the news on social media? So, they are asking you your suggestion, and 100% any you will get, what can the parents do to avoid addiction of the children on social media? Any question you can frame like this. Obviously, it is 100%. One effective step is to slow down instead of jumping to conclusions. People, now this is again a 9 band, this thing, collocations and phrasal verbs, which you'll get in my PDF. People should verify the source and compare the information across platforms. Not only does this reduce, this is one, misinformation, but it also encourages critical thinking. Now this is an called an inversion, 9 band. This you'll find in my PDF or with all cue cards. Now, what is the action to be taken? So this is the action that or advice you are offering. Slow down, verify resources. Then what is the result? It reduces misinformation. And what is the benefit? Encourages critical thinking. Now, so the grammar highlight here was not only but also. So why does it score high? Because it is academic English and there are 2 positives. Then jumping to the conclusions. That is called, this is the phrase, jumping to conclusions. That means believing too quickly. Now, the template 10 is, one effective step is to dada. People should do this. Not only does this, but it also, just remember this structure, and you get a 9 band in your grammar. Okay, but you'll find a lot of those in my PDFs. For each cue card, you'll find that. Everything you'll find, the phrasal verbs, the collocations, the grammar, everything explained in the PDF. Now, the advanced grammar cheat sheet I'm giving you. For emphasis, you should highlight the severity of the problem. Here, if you are saying the worst, or even you can say, if you want to say it's the best choice, then what makes this a best choice? Both ways you can use. Not only, but also. So, two multiple benefits, if you want to compare, then use this structure. And it is a, of course, I'm telling you again and again, this is a band Nile. You get lot in my PDF. Now, the phrasal verbs here you'll get, which I have taken up here, is go for, switch to, work out, wind down, took up, hang off it, settle down, cut down. So all these are the ones I have put it here, but in my PDF you will get with each cue card. And please subscribe and like. You can also comment some things just to motivate me. Now, this is the vocabulary checklist, which is in part 3. Twisted means presented in a misleading way. Jumping to conclusions means believing to. Cut down means reduce. A mix means when you want to give a balanced evaluation. So, as an ex-IELTS examiner, please, the golden rule is memorize these templates, language, and not the full answers, because you have to be filling the blanks. So examiners can spot the rehearsed scripts. Your content must change based on the questions. Only the structure should remains the same. Okay, save this video. Now let's recap the 3 types 100% that you're going to get in part 3 and you can answer. So cause and solution, one major reason is what makes. So 9 band. The grammar also. Then evaluation type, it's a mix, one hand and however. Then suggestions, one effective step, not only but also. So 9 band structures, just use them. So you are ready for the part 3 now. You can handle all the complex with confidence, the structure, grammar, and the vocabulary taken care of. And thank you. Please motivate me. And if you want any help for any paid assistance, please contact me at 917888 605 487.